Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I share recipes, tips, and techniques with you. We are making lemon lavender mini bundt cakes today. That's a mouthful. These mini bundt cakes are a bright lemony cake with hints of lavender. The floral flavor of lavender just pairs so beautifully with zesty lemon. So let's start off by zesting these beautiful Meyer lemons. These are lemons from my lemon tree out in the backyard. There's just something about using your own produce. I like zesting my lemon on a paper towel because it just makes it so much easier to transfer it, just like that. Now we're going to juice the lemons that we just zested. In order to get that beautiful floral flavor from the lavender, we are going to heat 1 cup of milk, and this is culinary lavender, and we're going to heat this on medium-low until it starts to steam. We don't want it to boil. Our lavender and milk have just started to steam, and I've turned the power off, and we're just going to let it sit here for about 10 minutes so that the lavender can seep into the milk. Now we're going to take our steeped milk, lavender milk, and we're going to put it through a strainer or a sieve. There we go. Oh, this is amazing. The smell of this lavender milk. Wow. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take 1.5 cups of granulated sugar and I'm going to pour that into a medium-sized bowl along with that beautiful lemon zest that we got from the Meyer lemons. And we're going to mix this in to the granulated sugar until, boy, it's smelling really good already. Mixing this into the sugar, what you're doing is you're releasing the oil from the zest of the lemon into the sugar. That's what we're doing right now. Now I'm going to take 2 sticks of unsalted room temp butter and I'm going to put them in my mixing bowl along with this beautiful lemon zest and sugar mixture that we just made. And I'm going to mix this on medium-high speed for about 3 to 4 minutes until the butter is fluffy and pale. Now I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of that lemon juice that we just juiced from the Meyer lemons, and I'm going to add that to the butter mixture. And we're just going to stir this in. Now I'm going to take 4 eggs and we're going to stir these in as well. Now to this mix I'm going to be adding baking powder and salt, and we're going to evenly distribute flour and the lavender milk. This is my mini bundt pan that I got from Pampered Chef. I think what we want to do is we want to scoop out dough and fill our bundt pan about, I'd say about halfway. We can smooth it out as we go. So I'm thinking 3 scoops for each bundt pan. I cannot wait to get these into the oven. They already smell delicious, and I just can imagine what they're going to smell like when they're baking. We're going to bake these at 350 degrees. I'm going to check them at about 30 minutes. So I've gone ahead and I've started to do a couple of things. I've made a lemon simple syrup, which is basically just lemon juice and some sugar, and I'll have that in the description below. We're going to brush these over the mini bundt cakes while they're still warm. And then I have another 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and this is 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter and 1 cup of powdered sugar. And this is going to be our glaze. We're just going to mix this together. What I've started to do is glaze our bundt cakes. You take your bundt cake and you dip it into the glaze mixture. And then any parts that may not have stuck, just take an offset spatula, could be a knife, and just get the parts that need the glaze. I am so happy with how these turned out, and they smell amazing. Now, I know I made little mini bundts, but this recipe can easily be used in a regular bundt pan or even a loaf pan. Thanks for coming along with me as we made these delicious Lemon Lavender Mini Bundt cakes. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.